Hey guys, it's Caleb from Rokblokz. Today up on the lift we got the brand new 2021 CX-30 and we're going to show you how to install our mud flaps. Alright, so we're going to dive down on this front flap here and what you're going to get with the kit. You'll get your front flap, and then per side you'll get 3 1-inch screws, 3 large inserts, and 2 black washers. The tools required for this job is going to be a drill, a 5/16 drill bit, a Phillips head, a flathead, or something to pull out inserts. Alright, so now let's get to the front of the vehicle. Remove these 2 inserts, pull those out, and now we're ready to install our flap. Alright, so your first step is to take your large inserts and replace them into the OEM holes. Try not to lose them. Those 2, and then for the third one we're going to drill a hole in this little dimple right here in the bottom. So we'll go ahead, grab the 5/16 drill bit and drill that hole out. Alright, there we go. Now we're going to proceed with mounting our flap. Take a 1-inch screw with a washer and mount it to the top hole here. You may need to apply some pressure to keep those from spinning until they expand in the hole. Once they expand in the hole, they'll catch and they'll sink right in. If you weren't able to locate that OEM dimple on the bottom, you can now set your flap with these 2 being just snug, not all the way tightened down, and just pull it all the way to the outer edge. Max drill the hole, and then you can go ahead, take your last insert. We're going to just push that in. And then we'll secure it with our last 1-inch screw. Now before we tighten these top 2, we'll make any adjustments, get it to where we want it, and then we'll securely lock those all down. There you go, that's the front. Repeat those same steps on the other side, and now we're going to move to the rear. Alright, so here's your breakdown on the rear flap. What you'll get is your flap for that side. You'll have a 1 1/4-inch screw, 2 1-inch screws, 4 black washers, 2 nylon clips, and a large insert. Now we're at the rear of the vehicle. We're going to remove the rear wheel to gain better access to the fender liner here, so we can drill 1 hole and mount the flap.
I'm the man, I got the plan. When it hits the fan, do all I can, do all I can.
Now that we've got the rear tire off and we're ready to get in here, we're going to go ahead and drill another 5/16 hole, and we're going to use these OEM casting marks in the plastic fender liner to locate where we want to drill. So we're just going to drill right there in the center of that. Right, here we go. Take our large insert, place it into the liner right there. It's good to go. Now we'll remove the 2 OEM inserts from the fender edge right here down on the bumper, and we're going to go ahead and replace those with the black nylon clips. To do so, you'll want to peel away the liner and then just put those on the corresponding holes.
I don't care, it's a double dare. I ain't scared, you best beware.
Have it lined up. We'll replace that back, and now we're ready to mount the flap. Alright, now that we've got our clips and inserts in place, we can go ahead and grab our flap with our screwdriver, and then we're going to take our 1 1/4-inch screw, place it through a washer, place it through the inner mounting hole, put another washer on the back side, and that's going to go into that insert. that held in place, we'll take our 1-inch screws with washers and put those into both of these clips here.
Alright, she's in my side. I got all night, so just sit tight, so just sit tight.
Okay, with those snugged up, we can go ahead, adjust the flap to our liking, and then fully tighten it down. You can repeat those same steps on the other side, and you're done.